This is a handheld deposit head. First, when you look into the screen, there is English and Chinese language you can choose. Now, here you can press the English, and you can choose the filling and the injection. There is one auto quantity filling. The first one, filling volume, it can adjust the filling according to your requirement. For example, you can set 500, and the filling speed, it is according to your material. And the filling interval, you can set 550. And the filling quantity, you can also set 5, and we can try for your reference.